Hey hustlers, welcome to Money Hustle 360, where we turn your online dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into 10 YouTube niches that can make you $10,000 or more per month. And here's the kicker. No face, no voice required. Whether you're camera shy or just want to keep things simple, these niches are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up, faceless tutorials. Think software tutorials, DIY guides, or how-to videos. All you need is screen recording software like OBS or Camtasia. Add text or captions to explain the steps. Tutorials are evergreen content. People will keep watching and earning you ad revenue for years. Whiteboard animations are engaging and easy to create. Use tools like Doodly or VideoScribe to create animations that explain complex topics. Niches like finance, self-improvement, or education work great here. These videos are highly shareable and can attract sponsorships. Motivational videos are always in demand. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Premiere to create text-based videos with uplifting quotes or stories. Pair them with royalty-free music, and you've got a viral hit. These videos are perfect for ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Gaming walkthroughs are a goldmine. Record your gameplay and add captions to explain the steps. Focus on trending games to attract views. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own gaming guides. Product reviews are another great option. Use screen recordings to showcase products and add text to explain their features. Earn through affiliate marketing by linking to the products in your description. Bonus, you don't even need to own the products, just use stock footage. Meditation and relaxation videos are incredibly popular. Use royalty-free nature footage and calming music to create videos that help people unwind. These videos have high watch times, which means more ad revenue. Plus, you can sell your own meditation guides or courses. Study with me. Videos are perfect for students and professionals. Record yourself studying with a timer and add background music. These videos are great for ad revenue and can attract sponsorships from study-related brands. Time-lapse art videos are mesmerizing to watch. Use tools like Procreate or Photoshop to create digital art and speed up the process. These videos are highly shareable and can attract sponsorships from art supply brands. Tech unboxings are always in demand. Use screen recordings to unbox and review the latest gadgets. Earn through affiliate marketing by linking to the products in your description. Bonus, you can also earn from sponsorships. ASMR videos are incredibly popular. Use royalty-free sounds and visuals to create relaxing ASMR content. These videos have high watch times, which means more ad revenue. Plus, you can sell your own ASMR products or guides. Ready to get started? Here are a few tips. First, focus on evergreen content that will keep earning for years. Second, optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Third, engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating community posts. And finally, be consistent. Upload regularly to grow your channel. And there you have it, 10 YouTube niches that can make you $10,000 or more per month. No face or voice required. Which niche are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.